I got Masa on my phone. Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide. It's been like 20 years since the last time I made tortillas. Damn, I'm old. This video is dedicated to my nephew Junior. The ultimate broke people food is tortilla with sour cream. That's why this video is dedicated to you. Because of a comment you made. As long as you have tortillas and some sour cream in the house, you're good to go. Poor people food. First thing you want to do is wash your hands. Shout out to Sydney for leaving me these. We want to measure 1 cup of masa and 1 cup of water. Team Coke. Okay, 1 cup. Pour it in here. And then do 1 cup of water. Mix it in there real good. From what I remember, you just go at it. Okay, now that I'm doing this, I remember you can feel the masa, like the little balls. Maybe I should wear a shirt that I don't want to dirty. Give me an apron, guys, and I'll do more cooking videos. You do! Let's look at Eli. He looks like Dean Ambrose. Oh my gosh, I think I need more masa. That's too mushy. That means it's too much water. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, I just went ahead and added a whole lot more. Okay. Let's try again. My shirt is getting really dirty. Okay, that feels better. Also, another shout out to Sydney for leaving me this. I'm putting this like this because I need to flatten the tortilla. There we go. That's how it should feel. I have never been good at this part, so don't laugh at me. It's gonna come out like this. It's not even gonna be round. Ball it up. Oh, look, it's so pretty. That's really little. So now I'm just gonna try to spread it out as much as I can. I don't want them to be super skinny. I think that's about the thickness that I want it. It's not a perfect circle. And then you take it out like that. Looks okay, right? Now we're gonna turn this thing on. If you're Hispanic, you gotta say things like, uy. So we're gonna put some oil on this paper. We're just gonna wet the paper. And then do that. This is how my mom always did it. So we're just putting oil there so the tortilla won't get stuck. Let that sit for a little bit. And then move on to the next tortilla. So I pretty much just try to make it as round as possible. Spread it out. Ooh, that was good. That was fast. We're gonna use one of these. It's not ready yet. If it's sticky, not ready yet. I'm gonna make a little one for Eli. How do people do it by hand without plastic? The world may never know. So usually you can tell when the tortilla is ready to flip and start seeing the edges like crisp up a little bit. So it's usually when you're able to move it around like this. I can't wait to eat this for dinner with my steak that I made the other day. That steak was so freaking good, dude. I amaze myself sometimes. Está soplando, mira. Like that. Look. That was always the exciting part. I don't want to taste it. I usually taste the food so you guys can be like so jealous. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit subscribe. Please hit subscribe. Let me know what else you want to watch me try. Don't say pupusas because I'm not ready. I'm not ready for all that. That's a lot of responsibility. Que rico, bo.
Do it.
Wait. Ooh, nice job.
Do it.
Good job, Eli. Cool, thank you.